What's up guys, Mike from Rockville. I just want to let you know that we are doing a crazy 10,000 subscribers on YouTube giveaway. First place is going to get a DB16 car amplifier. These things are absolute beasts and are definitely what you need to power your big beefy subs. Second place is going to be an R7 EQ, a equalizer for your car so you can really fine tune it and get the sound that you want out of your car stereo system. Third place is a mystery box. What's in the box? All you have to do to be part of the giveaway is go to our YouTube channel, click on Rockville Audio, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Then go to our Facebook page, make sure you're and you're following our page, and then just send us a quick PM saying, hey, I subscribed, and we'll enter you into our spreadsheet, which we're gonna pick a random person after we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. So after we hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, there's gonna be 3 winners. The first winner is gonna get the DB16, the second winner is gonna get the R7 EQ, and the third winner is gonna get whatever is in the mystery box. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. I'll see you next time, guys.